Namaskar, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Karmic Predictions. I am Sneh Valecha, a tarot card reader, astrologer, numerologist, hypnotherapist and healer. So today is a very auspicious Muhurat of Akshaya Tritiya. On this day we can buy anything new, whatever we want. You can say car, a bike or gold or jewelry, whatever you like on this day. But I would just pray to God and say, God, please bless us with good health, happiness and prosperity. Please take away the COVID. Please help everybody to come out of this kind of an infection. So today we will see what lies in store for Cancer moon sign, for Leo moon sign and for Virgo moon sign. And in Hindi it is Kark Rashi, Sinkh Rashi और कन्या राशि. तो आइए देखते हैं कि इनके प्रिडिक्शंस क्या आ रहे हैं 14 मई से 20 मई तक, 1 वीक का प्रिडिक्शन. For Cancer moon sign, you have to be very careful so that you don't get into any complications, misunderstandings, and be very careful, follow the guidelines, don't go out of the house. You may spoil your relationship with somebody, or something at your workplace may get spoiled, or maybe your health could get spoiled. You may have to go to a specialist to take medicine, you may have to go to get your test done, so please take care. But everything is in your hand. Since you know the prediction, if you look after yourself, maybe you can try and postpone these kind of negative predictions. Donate some fried item to a dog, and please feed a black color dog. And don't do imaginary worries, and just keep calm and chant Om Namah Shivaya. So now we will see what is in store for the Leos, that is the Sinkh Rashi. Initially, Leos who are very independent by nature may feel trapped due to the quarantine and due to the lockdown period. They may feel very weak financially also, and they may feel very low. They may feel even betrayed by somebody. But since this period is such, we cannot do anything much, and you may also end up in a fight. You may you may get into a conflict with somebody, and you may feel that what kind of a relationship is it that I have to get into a fight and argument. But overall, if you take care, you will be happy, you will be satisfied. Taking your proper action is required, be it health, be it relationship, be it money, be it career. And if you take that, you will outcome all the negative predictions. For you also, the Leo moon sign, please feed animals, please feed dogs, and please donate something fried, or you can donate one blanket, or you can donate one bed sheet or something to a poor person, and that will really help you. You should also chant Om Namah Shivaya if you are very disturbed. That would be my advice. Okay, now we will see what lies in store for this coming 1 week for the Virgos, that is the Kanya Rashi. कन्या राशि वाले, प्लीज डोंट गेट इनटू फाइट्स विथ एनीबडी. घर बैठे बैठे आपको झगड़ा सूझेगा, किसी न किसी बात पे आप मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स क्रिएट करके आप झगड़े में फंस सकते हैं, रिश्ता बिगड़ सकता है. तो दैट इज़ वन वार्निंग, वो मत करिए, घर के बाहर मत जाइए. टेक केयर, जब तक लॉकडाउन है प्लीज़ टेक केयर, लेट द केसेस गो डाउन एंड टेक proper precautions, like take proper warm water and whatever the vitamin C and the medicines which are prescribed. Take water with ginger, lemongrass, and you can add a little bit of ajwain also. Eat green vegetables, eat green pulses to make your Rashi strong. So for Virgos, till now only this much. I will come back and I will give you the prediction for the other moon sign. Till then, your friend tells you Alvida, bye bye, take care, God bless, and lots of love to everybody.